I've got to get this shop clean. Why is that inverter so loud? Fixed it. Okay, the next move for my conquest of getting my table back is I've got a bunch of grinder wheels, and I need a home for them. I was originally putting these up on screws, and I made a little bracket out of iron. That wasn't enough. I have a lot of freaking grinder wheels. So the plan is, I want to extend on that. I think I'm gonna make 2 runs with bars coming off of them about this length. I'll put enough for like 40 grit, 80 grit, like 2 runs of 40 grit, 2 runs of 80 grit, 2 runs of, I think I get 60 grit too. Essentially, I want enough brackets on there I can hold any grinder wheel whatsoever, plus cutoff wheels, yada, yada, yada. Turns out a 4.5 wheel measures out to be 4.5 inches. Who'd have thought? But I'm also interested in seeing what the point is on center. It looks like it's about 2 inches on center. So that means it'd give me 1 6/8 between peg. So about 1 6/8, that would give me, I'd say about 3 inches from the bottom of the peg. So if I have 3 inches, I've got, plenty of room. 5 inches, so 20 would be 4. What if we made it 25 inches? Okay, so I decided to go with 30 inches. When I laid everything out, I had enough spaces on this 30-inch piece, this one here, to make 7 pegs. Now, I've got these rods here, and they are 48 inches long. I don't know why I bought them. Don't judge me. Metal workers know. So 48, if I got 2 30-foot pieces and I got 2 of these 48-inch rods, that means I need to get 7 pegs out of each one of these rods, which, well, 48 inches, that's 7 times 7, 49. I can budge 1 inch on one, so I can get 7 pegs that are 7 inches out of each one of those rods. Yeah, that makes sense. On each one, that'll give me a total of 14 pegs to hang grinder wheels on. I'm not going to know what to do with myself. I got the first one done, but this is when the generator decided to take a crap on me, and I had to be done for the day.